Today I'm showing you a woodworking item that is getting crazy sales on Etsy. And it basically requires no woodworking skill at all. Admittedly, the niche is a little saturated, but it's also the most in demand. Yes, I am talking about shelving. And I've made several videos in the past about shelving and the incredible sales that they get on Etsy, and you still keep coming to watch my videos. Thank you. But these are a bit different. Not only do they require basically zero skill, but almost all of these are using construction lumber. That's right, just plain construction lumber. The selling feature of these shelves is the hardware. I'm gonna show you two today, but here is one. The iron or metal support. All right, I don't have a piece of construction lumber, but I do have a piece of this 1-inch thick stair tread that is 4 feet wide. We have our metal brackets, and you can get them in different widths. This one is 11 1/4. So you would cut your wood to 11 1/4 is basically all you need to do. So if you get the 12-inch construction lumber, I think it's 11 1/4 actual anyway, so you wouldn't even need to cut it. And then just stick it in. Screw holes in the bottom, and then screw holes right here to hook into the wall. But that is it. These are $28 for a 6-pack, so you get 3 pairs. Not a bad deal. We will go over and I'll show you what some of these are selling for. Now let me show you the second option. Hey, if you enjoy learning about trending woodworking projects that you can build and sell to make a profit, then you have come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and go through the back catalog to see the dozens of other videos I've done on this subject. Thank you for watching. Let's get back into it. All right, our second option here is in the pipe decor category, where these will serve as your shelf mounts. And of course, the longer pipe you get for the longer or the wider shelf that you'd want. I don't actually care for the look much myself, but apparently thousands of people do on Etsy. But you can get all these on Amazon as well. You need a flange, the pipe, this is 3/4 inch pipe, and then the pipe caps. Simple, I guess effective, but it definitely sells. Let's go and take a look. All right, one thing to keep in mind here, and you're looking at this price, $389. This is for a set of 2, okay? And that's the 48 by 11 1/4, just like I showed you in the video just a little bit ago. Something else you're probably gonna pick up on, these are all AI pictures. Look, the AI even cut out the top part of the J flange here, whatever they call it. It didn't stop everybody from our 3,307 people from purchasing this thing though, so I guess they liked it. Move on to the next one. 472 sitting in 20 people's carts right now. This is on sale, same size as before. Again, this is a set of 2, and they've sold 1,769 of them. Crazy, as you can tell, just construction lumber. This is for a single, same size, construction lumber, 3,623 sold. Man, I gotta add this to my shop. This is a different style of, it's like opposite. So it's coming from the bottom. Same price, 184, sitting in 20 people's carts, and sold 5,115 since 2018. Pretty awesome. Let's see, let's go 48. What do they have? 48 by 12. Sitting in 20 people or 20 views in the last 24 hours, 20% off, 196. This is just for one of them. Sold 879. And sitting in 9 carts right now, same size, 25% off, 177, and have sold 2,000 since 2020. What a great item to include in your shop. So as you can see, what a great, simple item to include in your shop is just part of your inventory of stuff that you're selling. Because it requires no skill, has gotten great sales. Yes, saturated niche, but one of the most highest in demand niches. And it's just something you keep in your shop, right? You don't, you know how Etsy works. You don't have to have all these already made. They're all made to order. So make some, get some pictures of them, get them listed, or just have AI make pictures and you don't actually have to make them. And they'll make their own and list it, and then, so, you know, that's absolutely crazy. That's the first time I noticed that, and I literally noticed it right before I was filming it. And I was like, how did I not notice this before? Pretty crazy, but I guess that's the way things are going. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Help me grow it. I hope you got something out of this. Keep building out there. Keep putting more stuff in your Etsy shop. Remember, Etsy is a numbers game. The more items you have to sell, the more items you will sell, right? All right. See you later.